Hello everybody, my name is Andre and in this video I'm going to show you some new cool features that GoHighLevel just added to their website builder. So let's get started with the first element that they've added, which is this logo showcase, and it is here in the media subfolder thing in the elements tab, and you can just click it, drag and drop it, and as you can see you have a fully functional logo carousel, which is, and I'm not gonna lie, pretty nice, but unfortunately it lacks some features, right? And we're gonna talk them in just a second, but first let's check it out and see exactly how this thing works, and in the end we're gonna also look how it compares to the custom code one that I have in my Notion doc, for example. So if you click on it, as you can see, it's a standalone element. You don't need any code, any CSS, anything. You just drag and drop it in here, change a few images, and you're ready to go. So let's go through the settings and see exactly what we can do with this carousel. The first thing we can change is the layout, which, as you can see, we can change from ticker to carousel. This is the ticker, which is like an infinite loop thing. And then the carousel looks like this. Basically you have a few pages with logos, and yeah, you can click the arrows and you have the logos. Personally, I like the ticker more. It's better, it's nicer. So yeah. Next thing, you can change the spacing between the logos. You can change the images, add more images. You can even add call to action links on every image, which is pretty nice. You can change the width of the element, let's say 80%. If we want it to be smaller, you can change the logo size, ticker speed, for example fast, if you want this to go extra fast. You can also pause on hover, which is nice if you enable this option. And yeah, color and styling, which yeah, very basic stuff here. But one thing that I can't seem to find is whether or not you can change the animation direction. Currently it goes from right to left, but you can't change it to go from left to right, which unfortunately is a little problem if you want full control and you want to fully customize your logo carousel. And of course, if you want more control, you can use a logo carousel made entirely from custom code, like this one here that I added from my Notion doc. And if we preview it, this is how it looks. The one up top is my version of the logo carousel, and this one here is the default one that GoHighLevel just added. As you can see, mine also has this cool fade in and fade out effect, so it doesn't look this sharp on the edges, because here you can see exactly where the element cuts off, right? So you can see this line here and this line here, right? And this one doesn't look that good in my opinion, right? This fade in and fade out makes the whole, element look better in your page, whereas this one here looks a bit incomplete. And also mine, if we go into the custom code, you can also change the direction forwards, for example, forwards like this, because I added variables. You can also change the speed and everything that you can do in the default one. And if you click save, and I think, yeah, this one works, this button preview custom codes works. As you can see, we just changed the direction of the animation, and we also keep the same fade in and fade out effect, which in my opinion looks better than this one. But this one is very, very, very simple to use. You just drag and drop it from these panels, so it's already built, it's ready to go. I would say for most users this is enough, but if you want a better version, if you want something more customizable, then you can go with the fully custom code one. The next thing that they added is this one right here, a counter element, which is actually really good, and you can customize everything about it, and that's why I like this one more than the actual custom code element that I also had in my Notion doc before they added their own, standalone element. So you can get it from here, the same page where you get the logo showcase, and you can get it. It's this thing here, number counter, and it looks like this. And yeah, as you can see, when you go off screen, it resets, and then it counts again, which is really, really nice. And if we click on it, we can change the headline, font, and size and everything. You can also add more counters, 3 counters or even more, I believe, if you want. Yeah, number of columns, you can go up to 5, which is nice. Animation duration, if you want the animation to take longer, again, really cool. You can add suffix and prefixes, as you can see here, right? Really, really nice. And let's say dollars maybe here. So you have this cool counter that counts money, for example. Counter layout, again, we went through these colors. And what else? Start value if you want to not start from 0. Image if you want to add an image. And also the caption, which is the text below it. Really, really cool. And also you have the styling of the entire container if you want to change the background, the border, background color is on this page, right? Yeah, here, right? If you preview it, this is how the default one that GoHighLevel just added looks, right? And this is how mine looked. If we refresh, as you can see, it basically looks the same, but this one also works once. Of course, I can update the code so it has the same functionality as this one, so it resets whenever it goes off screen. But I don't think that it is necessary right now, since it is basically the same thing as this one, and this one is very, very beginner friendly and really easy to use, just a standalone element which you can customize from these settings right here, and it is absolutely great. So yeah, I'm glad that GoHighLevel adds new elements to the website builder, elements that people wanted and people use. But if you already have my Notion doc, or if you want to get it, don't worry, I am also updating my Notion doc almost weekly with effects that GoHighLevel will probably never add. For example, this one, advanced hero section slider. I really doubt that GoHighLevel will ever add something like this. And yeah, I'll keep updating the document more and more, almost every week, if not every month for sure, because I want to create more content. I want to integrate more effects into GoHighLevel and create the best websites. So yeah, now if you want to see some really cool text effects with rotating animations and stuff like that, then check out this video.